I'm gonna ask you to just pause this video and go over a cup of tea's channel and subscribe, show her some love, like and comment and watch our video then. Today's post notification shout out goes out to Part of the Game. Thanks Part of the Game for commenting on my video, and you don't know everybody who no better go subscribe to his channel. He's on his way to 1,000 subscriber and him they close. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today I will be baking, or should I say making, cheesecake. Now the cheesecake that I'm going to make is a no-bake strawberry cheesecake. The brand is Jello. Guys, if you are my friend or if you know me, you know I like cheesecake. You know that this is my favorite cake. First it was red velvet. This is my favorite cake. Now, you know when I first tasted cheesecake, I think it was in 2018, either 2017 or 18. That was the first time in my life I've tasted a cheesecake, and since then it has been my favorite. Yes, so alright, so this, it has 290 calories. That's as prepared with sugar, butter and low fat milk. Yeah, it's first the ingredients that I need, that I have, is sugar, butter and milk. Now the milk that I'm using is skimmed milk. This is a powdery skimmed milk. Therefore, I am going to mix it out. I'm just going to show you what I have on the table. So this is what I'm working with. This is my sugar, my butter and the milk. That's all it says that I need. I got a spoon, measuring cup, my baking tin and a cup to mix the milk, right? So yeah, that's it. So I'm just gonna put on my cap, my bonnet. It is from Branbury, yes, because I don't want my hair to fall in my cheesecake. Okay. I am ready. And of course, I'm not a chef. This is not something I've done before. I don't have an apron. I'm gonna wash my hands and then get back to you guys. Alright, so we are ready. Alright, let me. This is the filling mix. Oh, it has step 1, step 2, and 3. Okay, I get it. Real strawberry topping. So the first one is this is the crust, which is number 1. So I should do the crust first. Number 2, this is the filling, and number 3 is the strawberry. Oh my god, it's milky. It feels alright. So crust. Let's see how to make the crust. Crust mix sugar. Also it says first we have to stir the crust mix sugar and butter in a 9-inch pie plate until crumbs. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna just I don't know about no 9-inch, but I'm gonna just use this. So where's the crispness? So this is it, guys. I'm going to just pour it out. Wait, let me fix the camera a little bit more. Alright, so I'm gonna pour the smells good. Smells like cinnamon. Here it is. Alright. Now you didn't tell. Oh, it said 2 tablespoons of sugar. So I'm gonna use my spoon. I'm not sure if it's tablespoon. Oh well. So sugar and butter. Cross milk, sugar and butter. I say it says 4 tablespoons of butter. I use just it smells good. You know when sugar and butter. Oh my god. Alright, so press. I should press it out. Oh my god, it's gonna get messy. I think I should have used. I would have put water on it. I don't see put water, but I'm just gonna follow through. It says crush the mixture. I'm trying to crush it as best as possible. The butter is very sticky. I think I'm gonna zoom in the camera so you guys can see what I'm doing. Or just take it closer. Alright, so just crushing it out. It smells like cookies. I don't want to mess up my hand, but I gotta do it. Alright, so next step is pour. Alright, press onto the bottom. Okay, I did that. Pour into medium bowl. Pour milk into medium bowl. So okay, I'm gonna get this milk. Ooh. So this is the milk. It says 1 to 2 cups of milk. So I'm gonna pour more. Going for some water. So I got my water. Alright. Next, add filling mix. Beat with mixture on low speed 30 seconds. So I should pour this into a medium bowl. Alright, I'm gonna get a bowl. I'm coming. I hope this bowl is not too small. So I'm gonna throw the milk in. And it said I should add the filling mix. This is it, guys. Then I'm just pour it in. Ooh. There it is. So Are you guys seeing? Kind of mix it up with the milk. Wow, it's getting gummy. I think I need more milk. Oh my god. Alright, so beat mixture with low speed 30 seconds. I did it more than 30 seconds. Then beat on medium speed for 3 minutes. Filling will be thick. Spoon into crust. Refrigerate 1 hour. Oh, so I should. Okay, so I should make it thick. Beat. So the crust, I don't understand. The crust, am I supposed to like put water in the crust or something? But it's a crust mix, sugar, butter in a 9 plate until crumbs are moistened. So that means I need more butter. Oh. Put more butter. And just beat it until the crust is moist. Oh my god, I'm throwing it away. I'm so rough. This crust is not moist and this is dry. I guess I need more sugar as well. I don't even know. Let's try. Hello, diabetes. Put the mixture in my baking tray because I don't know what I'm doing. To make sure everything is crushed. Alright. Pouring it in. Guys, at this point, you must have wondered when I do down. Just a beat down the crust. I think we have more crust than mixture. So we have might put a little more milk. Alright, this is a crust in the pan. Looking good. Just gonna put a little more milk and water in the mixture. But I make sure the milk thick as you know the milk has a freshen everything. Make sure it's more of the skimmed milk. So oh, Misha tough. Oh my god, this is crazy. What am I doing? Yeah, at this point, I don't know. What am I doing? It's so thick. As it says, I should stir it for 3 minutes, so I'm just gonna continue stirring. Woo. Remember, this is a no-bake thing, so it should be thick. So I should pour this over the crust. So I'm gonna do that because it's all beaten out, I guess. So won't regret this. It smells cheesy. I'm gonna just spread it. Uh-oh, that is how before. Oh boy. Spread it around all over. Alright. What am I doing? I don't know, I don't know. Make sure I get everything. And by the way guys, this cost me 800 and odd Jamaican dollars. Like almost or maybe $10 US dollars or Canadian. So alright, so it says filling will be thick, spoon into crust like what I just did, and refrigerate for 1 hour. So I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour, then get back to you. So I'm going to use a plastic wrap.
And
Jamaican. Oh my god. Plastic wrap. I'm not. Alright. I just put it over it. Then put it in the refrigerator for an hour. Then I'll get back to you. So, alright. See you soon. Alright guys, so it has been over an hour. So I'm going to take it out now. And this not make it. I think I'll put it in a freezer. But I'll put the top in still and see how it goes. Ooh. What's that? Alright, so detail guys. I'm gonna show them watching the seeds. See that? Smells good. So, spread it out. God have mercy. Alright guys. So this is the end result. I don't cut it yet. So when I cut it, I take a picture of my slice and so forth. I'm gonna put it back in the freezer because it don't work. You see me? So of course I'll put it in a freezer this time. First it was in the fridge. And I hope it works. Guys, comment down below how did I do. Did I do everything correctly? Alright, so I'll see you guys soon. You're gonna see when I cut the cake and everything. This is how it looks. After I come out I freeze like frozen. Cut them in slices. Place it in the boiling water. Alright. It look like it'll melt out. Oh my god. Want a slice? So should dip it in there for 30 seconds for easy cutting. I'm going to take it. One is to refrigerate the leftovers. I'm going to take it out now. Ooh, it's hot. If I use something. Hey. Gonna use this cloth. You know, so should I use like a spatula or something, but whatever. Ooh. Oh my god. So guys, there you have it. My cheesecake. Tell me how I did. Comment down below in the comment section how I did. And now for the taste. Ooh, my god. Toffee. Ooh, look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love it. Oh my god. Guys, taste please. Shot. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. Like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on our post notification bell if you are new, and I will see you in the next video.